Everybody, today we start dual of a graph. Previous class we discussed planar and dual and phase and region and Euler's theorem and some few theorems. Okay, now today we discuss dual of a graph. Now let G be a graph having n number of regions f1 f2 fn. We place n number of points v1 v2 vn, one in each of the region respectively. These points are joined by line segment according to the following procedure. If two regions fi and fj are adjacent, the points vi and vj are joined by a line segment intersecting the common edge between fi and fj. Exactly once, if there is more than one edge common between fi and fj, we draw one segment between vi and vj for each of the common edges. If an edge E of G lies entirely in one region Fk, draw a loop at Vk intersecting the edge E exactly once. Thus, we get a new graph G star whose vertices are v1, v2 vn and line segment joining this are edges. This graph G star is called dual graph of G. Now take a problem. Draw the dual of the given graph. Okay, solution. Let G be the graph. It has 6 regions, that is phase f1, f2, f3, f4, f5 and f6, where f6 are the infinite region. We place 6 point v1 v2 v6, one is each of the region respectively. We join the points according to the following procedure. If two regions fi and fj are adjacent, join vi and vj by a line intersecting the common edges exactly once. Now we draw the dual of the given graph. Okay, first we join v3 v6 and join v1 v6, join v4 v6 and join v5 v6 and join v3 v2 v2 v4 v4 v5 and ultimately this dual is complete. Okay, thank you. Next class we discuss few problems.